time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.
Right, guys, here's the headlight assembly their headlight mounts into. Those 4 bolts will bolt up to the front of the bike through the fairings. That all kind of goes together. So the red looks pretty good. I did polish it a little bit, but I did also tape it off around the inside just to kind of make that satin black in there, just kind of black everything out. Then the clear lens will go over it. So I also have an original Harley 7-inch light for now to go on there. They come off of the other bike. I may go back with a blacked out LED later on, but this is what I got for now, so it'll work. All right, there it is untaped. Looks pretty good. And here's first thing I put on it, which is this gauge. And I did kick it up a little bit back towards me. And you see here, this is the oil pressure gauge. This is all the pieces. So I did have to put the bezel part here on the belt sander, kind of sand it into a different direction, get the little tabs off of it. And I made this little trim piece out of PVC pipe. So I just took some 2-inch PVC, put it on our miter saw, and cut out me some, these are 10-degree angles on here. So it's a flat side and an angle piece. And I put the angled side down towards the body piece there, and then the flat side towards the gauge. That kind of kicks it back. But like I said, this does have to be ground at a little bit of an angle to fit correctly still. So I'm gonna throw the oil pressure on now. All right, that's it. It looks pretty dang good. Fits pretty flush around the outside edges, which looks pretty good. All right, guys, I cut off some of the loom and then started moving things around, going to each side where I'm planning on everything being. And I've got it all still connected and back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the fairing in here, bolt it up, and then start bringing the wiring up into it and see how that works. But it's ready to go. Gauges are in, everything's good on it. I think it's just gonna be a little weird getting it together because it has to sandwich between that bracket and the headlight bracket, and then be bolted up with some washers and all that good stuff. So let's try that. All right, guys, fairing is coming together pretty good, and this is what they send you with this kit to hook up the lens that goes on here. And these are not going to work very well at all because you got to get to the nuts on the backside, which I originally did do, and now I've taken them off. This is going to be too much trouble. These are little the rubber inserts that you pop in, and these are actually for a windshield or a lens like this or anything to do with a fairing. And I just happened to have bought a fairing kit for the Genesis. Actually, when I did those bolts on there, it's where I got all my screws from. These little rubber inserts, and they just kind of just push into the hole. So I had to open up the hole just a little bit, and then what it does is it sandwiches that little rubber piece together because the little nuts at the back side of it. So and then it has these screws right here. right, guys, make sure you check out the website. We've added thousands and thousands of awesome motorcycle parts. We've got apparel on there. We've got extended front forks, fenders, frames, anything you can think of. Check it out.